Hey everybody. Well, today I am going to visit fantastic Caverns here in Springfield, Missouri, and it's a riding tour, so be nice not having to walk around. One thing that I find interesting is that this was discovered in 1862 by Juno, a bloodhound, and how many caves in this country were discovered by hunting dogs chasing an animal in, and then the owner couldn't get them, so he had to go in after them and found these huge caves. So the other thing about this cave that's interesting is during Prohibition there's a speakeasy down in there. So pretty cool. Let's go check it out. With the idea of traveling the country and changing the view outside the window for my wife, but she passed away, so.
Aww, I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, we. Just gotta take a picture of them taking a picture of us.
It happens more than you think. So that is actually a well casing. So the owner across the road was building a house and he needed a well for his house so he could get water. He had talked to the cave owner, got the approval to start doing all the descending down into the ground so he could put that well casing in. Well, after drilling for 93 feet from the surface to this point, that drill bit came crashing down into the floor of the cave. Talked to the landowner, or the cave owner. Here, I want you to look up. I'm going to make you a little bit nervous. Or are those one of those things that you're not a nervous person very easily?
Sorry?
Are you a nervous person very easily? These names, February 27th, 1867 is when those 12 ladies came in and wrote their names on the wall here. Passenger side, we do have a low-hanging rock right here, so please watch your heads as we come down this hill.
And it's not coming out right. Of all the people that we know, we think you probably know how to do it.
So they asked you to do it, didn't they?
I asked them how they were mixing it. And they said, well, you mix it up with water and let it dry, so there's your problem. You gotta mix it with urine.
So all this rubble you see here and this all used to be up here. So the ceiling not only collapsed once, not twice, but 3 separate times. Third and final time breaking down is that final shoe print there on the ceiling.
I figure that piece right there, one of these days in the next century will fall.
We don't think so. All right, folks, go ahead and start to look up. All right. So the dog crawled in, and
That's
is how
the original
John Knox
entrance.
went in after him. That's how those 12 ladies
The first 20 years you have to go through that.
I wouldn't have done it.
They had to crawl.
Yeah. Now those ladies definitely didn't wear their skirts that thing. Yeah.
Fun.
Now
Well, that ends my visit to fantastic caverns. It was about, for me, it was like $29. Not having to walk through it was nice, and it was, I think it was worth it. There's a lot of other caverns around Missouri, and I don't know if I'm gonna hit another one or not, but so that's enough for today. I'll see you down the road, and be safe, my friends.